Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 decimals. Exercise 8.4. Question number 1. Express as rupees using decimal. You can see on your board. This is given. Express as rupees using decimal. So first given 5 paise. 5 we need to convert paise in rupees. So for this, this is need to know what is the relation between rupees and paise. Okay. So this is you know very well 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay. You know very well 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, or you can write 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees. Okay, or you can write 1 paisa. 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupee, or you can use the symbol of rupees. Clear? Or you can write 1 paisa. 1 paisa. 1 paisa is equal to rupees 0.01. Clear? So in first questions we have how many paise? We have 5 paise. Okay. So we can write the solution of this question. Question number 1. Okay. We know that 1 rupees. We know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, or 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, or 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100. Okay. Or 1 paisa is equal to, you can write it 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.01. This is clear. Now, so we need to convert 5 paise is equal to how many rupees? Here we find the relation between 1 paise and rupees is equal to 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupees. So we can write 5. We have 5 paise. So 5 paise. 5 paise. So 5 paise is equal to rupees 0.01 into 5. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write rupees 0.05. Okay. So here you can see we find 5 paise is equal to rupees 0.05. This is clear. Now we are going to discuss second part of this question. We need to convert 75 paise as rupees using decimal. In first question, first you can see here we convert 5 paise in rupees using decimal. 5 paise is equal to what? 5 paise is equal to nothing but we can write it 0.05 rupees. So let's see what is the rupees in 75 paise. Okay. So for this, first we know to find the relation between the rupees and paise. So you know very well the relation between rupees and paise is equal to what? This is the second solution of second part. This is given 75 paise. 75 paise. This is given. So here first write we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Clear? Or 100 paise this is equal to 1 rupees or 1 paisa is equal to 1 by 100 rupees, or we can simply say that 1 paisa, this is equal to rupees 0.01. But you need to find here 75 paise, 75 paise. This is equal to what? This is equal to rupees 0.01 into 75. Okay, so this is equal to nothing but you can say rupees 75. 75 paise is equal to what? 75 paise is equal to rupees 0.75. Okay, this is clear. Now the next part is 20 paise. How we converted 20 paise as a rupees using decimal. Here you can see 75 paise is equal to 0.75 rupees. Okay, now the third part of this question is that what is the third part? Third part is 20 paise. So again we write solution of third part. This is given 20 paise. We need to convert it in rupees. We have what we have? We have 1 paisa. 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupees. We already discussed second part and third part of this question, that 1 paisa is equal to what? 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupees. So we have 50 paise. So 50 paise is equal to 20 paise. 20 paise is equal to what? 20 paise is equal to 0.01 into 20. Clear? So this way you can say 20 paise. This is equal to rupees 0.20. This is equal to rupees 0.20. Now the next part of this question is that fourth part is 50 rupees 90 paise. So here this part is given in rupees, but only we convert 90 paise. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Here you can see 20 paise is equal to 0.20 rupees. Clear? Now the next part, this is fourth part. You can write fourth part 50 rupees 90 paise. Solution of fourth part. This is equal to, you can write it 50 rupees plus 90 paise. Okay, 50 rupees plus 90 paise. This is clear. Now so in this question we need to count only 90 paise and layer them, then we have to 50 rupees 90 paise is equal to what? Okay, so as you know that we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, or you can write 1 paise, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, 1 paise. This is equal to rupees 1 by 100. Clear? So we have 90 paise. So 90 paise is equal to what? 90 paise. This is 1 paise. Okay. This is 1 paise. This also is equal to, we can write 1 paise is equal to rupees 0.01. Okay. So we have 90 paise. We have 90 paise is equal to rupees 0.01 into 90. This is equal to what? This is equal to nothing but you can say 0.90. This This is equal to rupees 0.90. Clear? Now, so here you can see this is the 90 paise is equal to rupees 0.09. Okay, so we can write it. This is equal to 50 rupees 90 paise. This is equal to, you can write it 50 rupees plus 90 paise. This is equal to what? This is equal to 50 rupees plus 90 paise is equal to what? 90 paise is equal to, we find here 0.9 rupees. 0.90 rupees. This is equal to what? This is equal to 50.90. Okay, so in this way you can say we find the 50 rupees 90 paise. This is equal to 50.90 rupees. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we are going to discuss next part, fifth part of this questions. What is the fifth part? Fifth part is that 725 paise. We need to find, we need to convert, we need to express 725 paise as a rupees using decimal. So let's see how can we solve it. Is this clear? Now, so as you know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. If you divide 100 in this amount, then you obtain the rupees. Okay, and now, so in this question we need to convert. This is given amount 725 paise. 725 paise in a rupees. How can we convert this amount in rupees? Because you know very well. What do you know? We know that 1 rupees, this is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. You can write it 100 paise is equal to 1. Clear? 100 paise is equal to 1 rupees, or you can write 1 paise. 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. This implies that 1 paise is equal to rupees 0.0. Okay, but we have how many paise? We have 725 paise. So you can write here 725 paise. This is equal to rupees 0.01 into 725. Clear? This is equal to what? If you multiply this, then you obtain rupees 7.25. Okay, so in this way you can see here, and that we convert 725 paise. This is equal to, we obtain rupees 7.25. Clear? So student, I hope Allah understood this question, that how to express as rupees using decimals. So here you can see we express 5 paise, 75 paise, 20 paise, 50 rupees, 90 paise, and 725 paise as rupees using decimal. Okay, now we are going to discuss next questions of this exercise 8.4. Question number 2. Question number 2 है express as a meter using decimal. This is given here 15 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 meter 45 centimeters, 9 meters 7 centimeters and 419 centimeters. So let's see how we convert, how we express centimeter in meter using decimal. Now this is the question number 2. This is given, express as meter using decimal. 15 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2.2 meter, 45 centimeter, and 9 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 4 meter, 419 centimeter. We need to convert it in meters using decimal. So for this, first we need to know what is relation between meter and a centimeter. So you know very well, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Of course, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or you can say 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This is clear. And also you can say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters, or in the form of decimal you can say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. So let's see how we express the given centimeter in meter using decimal. Okay. So first solution of A part. This is given 15 centimeter. Okay. So first here you write, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or we can write it 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or we write it 1 centimeter is equal to what we write, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Also we can write it in the decimal form, or using decimal, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. But here what we have, how many centimeter? Here you can see we can see 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter, but here we have 15 centimeter, so we can write 15 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeter is equal to 15 into 0.01 meter. If you multiply this, then you have 15 centimeter is equal to 0.15 meter. Clear? So here you can see that we convert 15 centimeter in meter. So first you need to know what is the relation between meter and the centimeter. As you know that the relation between meter and the centimeter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So in this way you can find the 1 centimeter is equal to 0.0 meter, but we have 15 centimeters. Okay, then we can write 15 centimeter is equal to 0.15 meters. Now we are going to discuss second part. What have second B part? B part is 6 centimeter. We need to express 6 centimeter as meter using decimal. This is clear. So this is our B part. B part has 6 centimeter. Clear? So 6 centimeters. So as you know, as you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or also you can write it 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This is clear. Or you can say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. Okay. Also you can write 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. So here you can see this is the relation between meter and centimeter using the decimal in the presence of decimal, that 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. So we have 6 centimeters, so we can write as 6 centimeter is equal to 6 into 0.01 meters. Simply we can write 6 centimeter is equal to 0.06 meter. If you multiply by 6 of 0.01 meter, then we obtain 0.06 meter. Clear? Now, so student, I hope all of you understood this question. Now, this is some different of like two part A and B of these questions. So now we are going to discuss C part of question number 2. Let's see how to find C part of question number 2. In this question, this is given that C 2 meter 45 centimeter. What is given here? 2 meter 45 centimeter. This is a C part. We can write 2 meter 45 centimeter is equal to 2 meter plus 45 centimeter. Okay. So here this is in the form of meter. We only express 45 centimeter as a meter using decimal. This is clear. So for this we write we know that what we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or we can write here 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This implies that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Clear? Now, so if you divide 1 by 100, then we obtain what? What we obtain here? We obtain 1 centimeter is equal to what? 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meters. Okay? So we can write here 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. This is a relation between meter and centimeter in the presence of decimals. Okay? So you can say 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. So we have 45 centimeter. So you can write here 45 centimeter. This is equal to what? This is equal to 45 into 0.01 meter. Because you can see here we find 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. So 45 centimeter is equal to 45 into 0.01 meter. So if you multiply 45 by 0.01 meter, then you obtain 0.45 meters. So in this way you can see we convert 45 centimeter. This is equal to 0.45 meter. So here we can write it 2 meter 45 centimeter is equal to 2 meter plus 0.45 meter. This is equal to what? This is equal to 2.45 meters. Okay. So in this way you can see we convert 2 meter 45 centimeter. This is equal to 2.45 meters. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Okay. Now, this is a C part of question number 2, that 2 meter 45 centimeter is equal to 2.45 centimeter. Now we are going to discuss the next part. Next part in the part of this question is that 9 meter 7 centimeter. So let's see how to express 9 meter 7 centimeter as a meter using decimal. So here 9 meters. So we not change 9 meter as this is given 9 meter. We not change it, but only we change 7 centimeter in meter, and after this we can sum it. So this is a solution of and D part of question number 2. This is given 9 meter 7 centimeter. So first we can write it, express it, 9 meter plus 7 centimeter. Clear? After this we know the relation between, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or you can write it 100 centimeter is equal to what? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meters. Also we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter becomes 0.01 meters. Okay, this is relation between centimeter and meter in the presence of decimal. But we have only 7 centimeter, so you can write it 7 centimeter is equal to 7 into 0.01 meter. Okay, or you can say this becomes 0.07 meter. This is clear now. So this part we can write like this: 9 meter 7 centimeter. This is equal to, we can write 9 meter plus 7 centimeter. But here you can see we convert 7 centimeter in meter is equal to 0.07. So you can write it 9 meter plus it becomes 7 centimeter becomes 7 centimeter becomes 0.07 meter. When you add them, then you get 9.07 meter. Check it. So in this way you can say 9 meter 7 centimeter. This is equal to 9.07 meter. So student, I hope all of you understood in this part. Now the last part of this question is that E part 419. We need to express 419 centimeters as a meter using decimals. So let's see how can we express 419 centimeter as a meter using decimal. Okay, so here this is given 419 centimeter, and we know that the E part solution of question number 2. This is a E part. This is given 419 centimeter. 419 centimeters. So we can write we know and that what we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, or also we can write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. You can write 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meters. But in this case, what we have? We have 419 centimeter. So we can write 419 centimeter. 419 centimeter is equal to 419 into 0.01 meters. If you multiply them, then we obtain what? We obtain 4.19 meters. This is clear. So here, if you multiply them, this becomes equal to 4.19 meter. So here you can see we can express 419 centimeter. This is equal to 4.19 meter. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.